Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
different terms with heroin. 1. Speedball. Speedball is heroin with cocaine. Together we call it as speedball, which can be used intravenously. Moon rock. Moon rock is heroin with cocaine. If smoked together, then we call it as moon rock. Hot shot. Hot shot is sudden death after injecting narcotic, particularly heroin with a needle still in the vein is called as hot shot. In hot shot, immediately after injecting narcotic, the patient dies. That is hot shot. Heroin can result in death. It can be either accidental or homicidal. Accidental death with heroin is seen if heroin is mixed with strychnine. Treatment of heroin poisoning. Naloxone is an anti-opioid which can be used as drug of choice for heroin poisoning. Methadone is used for chronic addiction. Medico-legal importance. Heroin is the most dangerous drug for addiction.
thank you and thank you for watching.